The hydraulic press applies 50,000 psi, shaping the high-strength steel at 250 degrees Celsius.
Keep the flow steady on 5.
Temperature holding at 1600.
All units synchronized. Processing element 9 completed. Proceed to next stage.
Welcome to the future of manufacturing. Here, precision and automation converge to create the impossible. Every surface is analyzed for perfection. No imperfections detected. The process is flawless. Assembly sequence 7 initiated. Installing power control module.
Check the tolerances on the rear door.
Looks good within spec. The new calibration worked.
The alignment on this panel is perfect, well within tolerance.
Yes, the robots are doing excellent work today.
Looks good. All systems checked out.
Perfect, let's move it to the next station.
Check the voltage on cell 42.
Reading stable at 3.6 volts. No anomalies detected.
Welcome to the future of energy. Our highly automated assembly line transforms raw cells into powerful, efficient battery packs. The energy readings on sector gamma are slightly elevated.
Acknowledged. Running a full diagnostic cycle now.
All indicators are green. The robotic calibration was successful.
Agreed. The new lattice design is performing optimally.
All systems operating at peak efficiency. The cooling parameters are optimized for maximum output. The heart of the Tesla factory, where synchronized robotic arms apply a flawless finish in a mesmerizing dance of precision. The laser scan confirms the helical angle is within tolerance.
What about the cooling system pressure test?
We are seeing a slight fluctuation here on the sensor array.
It's within tolerance, but let's keep an eye on the temperature readings.
Check the torque readings on the main gear assembly.
Looks good. We are clear for the next phase.
Ensure the red gloss is within spec.
Running diagnostics now looks perfect.
Silver application is flawless.
The latest scan shows a slight inconsistency right here.
I see it. The sensor readings confirm the paint thickness is still within tolerance, however.
Ensure the torque settings are calibrated for the new battery pack.
Already done. Alignment is perfect.
This profile is within tolerance.
Check the next batch. The surface finish looks good.
We need 2 more trays of the main housing by shift end.
I'm almost done with this run.
The insulation is secured.
Confirmed. The dashboard alignment looks good.
Are the sensor arrays calibrated?
Yes, Module 5 is within tolerance.
The cooling rate looks stable on the primary charging unit.
Confirmed. The thermal readings are within tolerance.
The pressure readings look good on the tablet.
Confirmed. The seal is holding perfectly. The voltage levels are stable across the battery modules.
The final connections look secure.
Check the voltage on auxiliary 1.
Reading stable at 5 volts. Torque is good here.
Check the alignment on the left side.
Looks good. Torque is set.
The real-time data looks stable.
Calibration sequence initiated.
The sensor calibration looks complete on this unit.
Confirmed. We are clear for the next phase.
System check is green across the board.
Confirmed. The power flow is stable.
The precision of the robotic arms ensures a flawless, high-gloss finish every time.
3 millimeters on the flange.
And the overall length is accurate to spec.
The internal dimension is reading 25.4 millimeters.
Confirmed. The tape measurement aligns.
Phase 2 diagnostics are clear.
The startup sequence is successful.
Beautiful work, everyone.
Bring the steel pallets first.
Copy that. Moving the lithium next.
Watch the clearance on the left. Scan complete on the front quarter panel.
Tolerance is confirmed on the driver's side door.
Interior components verified.
System diagnostics passed. The firmware update is complete. Vehicle ready for integration.
Scan results confirm alignment is within tolerance.
Good. The panel gap here is perfect.
Paint finish looks flawless under the UV light.
Acceleration metrics look good. Check the battery temperature at node 4.
Reading 72 degrees Celsius.
All systems nominal. Vehicle temperatures are within optimal parameters for release.
The tolerances on this batch look tighter than the last run. Yes, the calibration update seems effective.
Check the tolerances on the rear chassis assembly.
Looks good from here. All parameters are within spec.
Ensure torque is set to the new specification.
All right, the data confirms optimal performance across all metrics. We are good to proceed.
The data stream shows a persistent error in the charging module.
Confirmed. We need to escalate this before the next cycle.
Check the panel gaps on the driver's side door again. The laser shows a slight deviation.
Rerunning the scan now. It looks good from here.
Panel gap variance is within tolerance at 0.05 millimeters.
Confirmed. The rear alignment looks perfect.
And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing factory tours.